Hi, DC News. Ima Olivia Akwawa. I had here latest and hot news and I'm the Bremo. I don't see when you subscribe or you say over subscribe to the channel. The way I say over click the subscribe button. Now a belly notification. Where there's a new video. Yeah, I upload with the first person I was a video. I feel we are. Give us a thumbs up. My thumbs up. No feel. Share my offer for us now when you be here now and somewhere also since I had the latest and hot news and I'm the Bremo. I feel you here and summer I be told you so. A year Samuel Atachia, a year Baumia Dr. Muhammadu Baumi camping when you is still reading now attaching in Sibico to be an Amagana for Benabu Efu to say what I say a year John Dramani Muhammad NBC one flag bearer or your drunkard to say where you're Sadia to say will be the Nuna and simply breathing. Now, your story, I can have a debate to the fire as somewhere Atachia echo can your story. Or say, I never said Muhammad is a drunkard, so I won't apologize. Atachia fires back at NBC, or so you can't say Muhammad a drunkard. Not the open patrol. Now, I trust was say, the member of parliament for Bokwa South, Samuel Atachia, has rejected calls for him to apologize to the flag bearer of the National Democratic Congress, John Dramani Mahama, for supposedly referring to him, Mahama, as a drunkard. Just a mouth focus, NDC focus, or so patcho, or some main patcho in it. Now, Nadia Makase Mahama, a drunkard. Say, what say, John Dramani Mahama, a drunkard. To say, what you Sabia, to say, Kepi or Numbi Ankasa. Atachia indicated that there's nothing for him to apologize for because he never referred to Mahama as a drunkard. What's the beautiful I say or patcho said Nadia or Kase Mahama ye drunkard say Mahama
and watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news.
He said that he only praised the flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party, Vice President Dr. Muhammadu Baumia, in his statement and made no reference to Mahama. Just say or not just say a year Vice President Dr. Muhammadu Baumia no born abaso and Nadia or Bob Muhammadi making reference here. Or say I never said former President John Dramani Mahama is a drunkard. Where is he gleaning that meaning from? If you see the whole story, what I was saying is that we are very blessed to have a very cultured man as an economist. And Ghana has never had an economist as president. Only just say, oh boy, yeah, Dr. Muhammadu Baumia, or born about to say, there are the associated with the economist and also about the president. Now, he now Mahama so a desire every airback. Or say, what is the bonus is that? Or say, what is the bonus is that the man is very disciplined and he doesn't drink any alcohol. And I wouldn't retract from that. Which I say, Baumiana that it's very disciplined. Now, or you'll be on no and some. That's what they together. Never have you know, yeah, touching a cancer 7. We didn't know able to get now. Some what put together and probably go for 1 or 2 money a year attaching. Now, you better a year video a year attaching a cancer 7. You better a video no. On one in one summer or can and summer would be to the intimism.
Economies here, Nehojo, Onyansa Fuaba, Onyansa Fuawa Nomusa. Oh, Mukaso Yamia Shrai, oh, Yamia Shrai. And now we catch him say, Ghana, Aya, Benya, Onyansa Fuawa Nomusa. Mumpawe Namupasutro. Obikaso Yamia Shrai, oh. Economies here, Nehojo, Onyansa Fuaba, Onyansa Fuawa Nomusa. Oh, Mukaso Yamia Shrai, oh, Yamia Shrai. And now we catch him say, Ghana, Aya, Benya, Onyansa Fuawa Nomusa. Mumpawe Namupasutro. Obikaso Yamia Shrai, oh.
You already and somewhere attaching the 2 jar to say a month for a bonechi. I just say 1 patcho or they'll say Kianiki and Nadia over patcho. Okay, you could see a reaction fire attaching a smoke and it is a reaction about the 2 jar. It is sensible.
Ghana, Aya, Benya, Onyansa Fuawa Nomusa. Mumpewe na mupasutro.
Nkwasiafo pa ma Jimmy young people for Jimmy me will be stupid people. I don't know young people for Jimmy me will be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party. Young people for Jimmy me will be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party. Young people for Jimmy me will be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political. Young people for Jimmy me will be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party.
Video we me ana me ye me ana me de honorable di o kan ye me de aka ho because e yen kwase asem na attach aka no tie attach ya
Economies ya ne ho
You are
jo
watching Juicy News on
onyansafo
YouTube.
ba
Hot news all time.
onyansafo awa no nsa o mo ka so onyame ahira yen yo onyame ahira yen ana me ka chiam say Ghana ya benya onyansafo awa no nsa Mumpewe na mupasutro. Economies ya ne ho jo onyansafo ba onyansafo awa no nsa
ya wunye Jimmy Fua onyansafo adekronta ye mu bi mu ye betena abrochira che ye betena ha che ena na me ka kire honorable Kennedy Japan no emre honorable Kennedy Japan kan last year say toda ohu Ghana fo bi no ma ye ti abrochire. And he said, you see here, we are British citizens. We are American citizens. I am not until you say, na ebeya yemrefi na yenyanya ye wa bruche ye American citizens ye British for ye Italian citizens ye German for ye beya yenye jane ye pachire ye po ye Ghana for. And I'm sure be catch honorable Kennedy Japan say waka ya ti but ye ntie there be ye ntie. Yeah, British ni ye pa ye proud say ye British for ye proud say ye America for ye proud say ye German for Italians Dutch ye proud because when you have leaders awomo ye nkwasiafo what say they attach ye how can you tell us say wo the economics be ba na owa hobrase na owonimde when ye kwhwe economics na dwuma awaya credit reference agencies are downgrading Ghana to junk status. Economists no all but now one Ghana dollar to CD, now you 4 CDs. And economists no dollar to CD, 16 CDs. And I say this same economists your currency all bano, now your currency depreciating in Ruha, and now your currency the third worst performing in Africa. Under this same economist. Sika bobra itese yenya no COVID amresho emposika president Mahama jijejawo Ghana yen coffers inketinketim on your heritage fund yen get fund yen we sika kakra president Mahama jaye 100 million here 300 million there 100 million there mobile mo di ni nyina bi mata feta mo say mo awi no mpa we ka say awi plate no kura mo awi plate na mudidi mo kura mo awi plate no chese bibi asa emene kura yedru food crisis enene yedru be ka kire yen say economics no onimanyansa na owa hobrasie se wunjimi ya what would your politics it be yeniba attach ya lawyer attach ya or your lawyer ni or ya me wofa but me kan okura kire no attach ya lawyer ni na bibia anya me ya wa asem we mu say wo attach ya na nkasa wo ba ye hwe kwan ya akufu adode wo fa so da bi o Atachia, yenina yenim ekwan a wo de wo fa so a second term you kura ya ma wo post
on YouTube. Hot
as
news
one
all
with
time.
There be mo Atachia Jimmy. Mo hu Jimmy, well Jimmy when na me makoma no entumi standing because Jimmy. Broni bie de ha obeye de Atachia yi. Enu nti no. Esan se oni hwe ya obeka kire ba bia na ogina wo kasa no. Enti ese odidi president Mahama atem. Na all reduce campaign ni na to say President Mahama no mansa. You see the foolishness in the system. Mo nkwasi assembly we MPP no.
Oh mo ka so nyame ahira yen yo nyame ahira yen.
Yen ka so nyame ahira yen say economy ye junk status. Yen ka se onyame ahira yen say ya pam ye free bond market. Yen ka se onyame ahira yen ene yedru food crisis. Yen ka se onyame ahira yen say ya sa kwakopie IMF. yen kase onyame ehira yen say ye di 12 million kachira ye say ye po alugu dam na so yen ye na $12 million ayira yen kanchira yen say onyame ehira yen when yakoto amona $58 million national cathedral yen nko okujeto sese na no sikankitinkitin munim say David AJ architect no o design a national cathedral nko awie ye ma ne be $32 million e chere no almost a friend say design no ye no wa anya restaurant wom omakai afedi omo per restaurant wom enti on sambra be design a restaurant in friendship restaurant no samba be design di shame eno ko aye say tuya ne be another $18 million ye nko kasa nyame ehira ye ehwe ne amona na esi ho eno na me ka kire me husband say mete na no say Dr. Manebo ama e ka say NDC ba abemu a enyame adoma omo de eho no ebeye omo de besi children's hospital no asema me kan ya ne say NDC for ya me ebeye me de and I think say yeah the children's hospital na is a very good idea because eya ona ewo yemu e wo saa sika na ya hwere no ho the only thing ebeyi eya ona free yemu and it says ye hu say eho no e serve enkwara eno na ebeyi ya ona free yemu. Now, Akufo-Addo edi 80 years. Why never betua sa sika na Akufo-Addo amana sika ekana yabo e was a national because remember, yes obubu judge for dying. Obubu scholarship secretariat dying. Obubu companies bilma na wo. Obubu Bulgarian embassy for dying. Obubu Malian embassy for dying. Ni nyina ye ka aba beto Ghana so. Why never betua sa sika no? Any person we di 80 years. Akufo-Addo edi 80 years. Enti se sa eka na waboye no why never betua. Enti akoye ka hunu kwa. Debi o otinkwam ye wo se ye mane tworo krata bi na nabusuafo otua o. E wo se ye kohwe Ghana mrem. Ne ye pe emre bi se mre bi wo ho a. Anas bibi ye de mre bi hyem. Na ye manager undertaking bi se nabusuafo na betua because ye ntumi ma oba akufo. Because nano na me catch me my husband say na ye di komo na catch me husband say Inti imagine say President Mahama aba ana aban foforo aba na investors impossible wo miano mpo no beba na investors aba omainim na bia ye ne wo makodi national cathedral nkomo na investors ne bebi say say na eba ne sing what is the story behind when before we put our money
you
in
are watching Juicy News.
The story
on YouTube.
behind it is that
Hot news all time.
Obi bedi president eno beka kire ye say ono ko share ne dem se ne pass you se the toilet so na oti woni feel se he na o show e na okọ share bo ma Nyankopon ono no okọ ka kire Nyankopon se wo ma medi president and media meya ma woni. That is the what do you think aborofo no bedwen afa ye ho ade na oba akufo personal promise okọ ye ma Nyankopon ene ababeda ne a curse e de ato oman so this same person ese okọ na ono de na chi eja na bedi echire ni a wa faili but attach ya say yen koda Nyankopon ase say ye faili mo hu nkwasi asem no mo hu Ghana nkwasi asem sem on nyamesem Ghana dia wo hia say wo de Bible adada Ghana ni wo de Bible adani adada bibini meme ye Kristo ni pa but tumi fa nyamesem me dada mi tumi fa Bible e meto madwene ko madwene ne eje adwuma enti attach ya say Kona koda nyame ase se wo IMF boduku na koyi Nyankopon aye se ya downgrade wo to junk status baller status credit reference agency se wo wiase mu nyina a downgrade Ghana to junk status Fitch Moody's omo akeke ka ho ya pame free bond market attach se koda nyame ase enti se wo any attach wo MPP ni no na attach ya e kasa asebele kire wo wo any attach ya no hwan na ye jimifo wona wote hotie no wo wagimi chen atachia na oka asam na kire wo because me ka be sori free ho. Let this mind be in you as is in Christ Jesus no me ema me ntena se me ntumi ntena se ntie nkwasi asam enti se sei mo na mo tena se na mutie atachia no mo any atachia why na enim nyansa mo na mo tena se na because ono no clearly onim nyansa e na obeka nkwasi asam de a kire mo but why were you still sitting there listening to him applauding? No, you see how very foolish Ghana phobia are, and the only reason why you are acting foolish is because of politics. Politics, religion, and football. Top 2, politics and religion. And how Jim said a bibini Jimmy Siafa. Trini Jonas Bessie, Bibini su ye nipo debi, I thought that be before ye had a moa, and so I brought them one answer. Like we are educated people, we are looking at the numbers, we are looking at the indices, the metrics, we are looking at everything. Ghana fairly to the point where just yesterday the finance minister of the Republic of Ghana was telling us that you drew food crisis. Wasi yankonkwada nyamiase. Yankwada nyamiase se ebusia afore for ye yentumi ntria. Interest ni yetria fiti John the Baptist amreso ye da so tria interest. E kana yaje ne kora yentumi ntria. Akwa we attach yes yankwada nyankopon asese a free Dr. Kwame Nkrumah yen first president, the founder of Ghana amreso. The basi sabio incompetent John Mahama so na ye Kenya na de 122 billion. Almost ankwasiafo we amreso yeka omo kwa ka o mabebo 5 times 642 billion. Osi yankwada nyamiase 642 billion 8 years yensi hospital ba completed. No. To me see university back from beginning to end. No. Yasa could do IMF. But yankoda nyamiase. You see the stupidity in Ghana?
Ghana ya benya onya safu awon no musa. Mo pe we na mo paso tro.
Nkwasiafo pa ma Jimmy MPP for Jimmy me will be stupid people. I don't know MPP for Jimmy me will be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party. MPP for Jimmy me will be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party. MPP for Jimmy me will be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political MPP for Jimmy me will be stupid people. I don't know why I belong to that political party.
Video we me ana me ye me ana me de honorable di okan ye me de aka because e yan kwase asem na attach aka no na me nim how else I can say than to use Honorable Kennedy Japan voice me papa na voice because no kura na papa na kan ye no say ya record this na mo record mo ankasa mo record osafo mafo na mo de ko ma NDC fo. It shows how very stupid the MPP can be. Say ya the attach aka yo, it shows how very stupid the MPP can be. Say yeah, but when me our failure still amuko yin as flag bearer, it shows how very stupid the MPP can be. Whichever way you look at it, the MPP sometimes they act, and yes, sometimes for the most part they act very stupid. And on Dr. Antonio Akutuo said, 70% of the men in the, and not just the men and the women in the MPP. Now it is more than 70%. It is about 97% of the people in the MPP are very, very stupid people. What be a bullshit? Jimmy, MPP. Jimmy, MPP. This batch of MPP. Who be that? I don't know the Akufo-Addo they are warm. Meaning the Akufo-Addo this batch, this particular MPP. Meaning I don't know. Omo Jimmy. Ah, everybody nyame. Hey, na party when na me papa ewo mu bi no. Party when I Mr. Grandfather, Mr. BJ da Rochamo, na yenti wu jai no. Sena yesusa na yenim. Na ende na wiase bie na adwen mu bie ye nyina ye kuta technology, ye hwehwe, e na afi na ma ye hu how very stupid MPP mpanimfo can be and how very stupid a BB4 in general, Africa for Ghana for politics, election beba. Say hey, me see Jimino is beyond measure. It is unfathomable. Ujune huwa ensi so. Eti said ye will be sa won say why na wo onyankopon ne ma me ne why na papa na why. Ujune huwa ensi so no. Sa na ujune MPP huwa ensi so. Yen konkoda onyankopon ase. Say economy ye CD abru 16. Third worst depreciating currency. Ya pame ye free bond market. Yako fara for a cast 642 abo ye in 8 years. Yankoda nyankopon asese dum so asamba. Yankoda nyankopon asese mpoenne ye duru sa ye send food crisis. Yankoda nyankopon asese ye nsuo ne ye nsa ase asei. Yankoda nyankopon asese just name them under this government. Yankoda nyame ase. Yankoda nyankopon ase say ye de kremoni bi ba won kan no kore. Kremoni odintro. Yankoda nyame ase. na yensa nkoda nyame asese kremoni no ne yere ekura tumi ko bubu party financier ne nan mako 10 but yenkoda nyame ase Ghana ni na betumi akasa asemu ya kire na nye broni ente me cousin panyini bi da bia na me ma me kase me cousin panyini no o MPP na say ya metaka na asemu ha yes say ana na me say ene na asam ehwe video a wo mu otumfo di stuli ahefofo na oti hobi no yes wo say broni a wawu ni funu krobe ne yesa broni a wawu ni funu na me kora broni a wawu ni funu me ye ne yesa edi jibili na bibi anya me ya wa attach ya de okeke mu ni say wo ade wo omo ba ekoroma amfiu wo attach ya wo ye ebusuani o ba omu ni obu obi ade ma o eno nti aban no ye pamu wo frim party ndi wo da so tim but aban no opamu wo frim wa ma opposition second term because won kan no kore krono a wo mo bo ya ma ubi sika na ya ma ubi hwejimi a wujimi but money ma de koronti a ohene ba ne kan ye ohene ba se ohene ba no owu ntumi obi di video na abreme me say wa ha problem na no ni mo nkyere mo problem no ba bia problem no wo me ba obi di premium ma me hwe obi se Marie video na wa hwehwe ne no ni aha ini wa ha okay good ma me fan share ma me upload wa ha
food poisoning oya
yeah montena koromu hona monkoso enjimi abrofo na ehwe mo munjimi na eka na mfofore mo ye Ghana fo yes Ghana di bia deka nkwasiafo we nti obi adeka be 23,000 Ghana cedis ba ye mu bi mu ye ntua sa aka we bi no onyankopon adaworoma we have designed our lives in a way that ye betina Ghana kora eka we ye ntua bi mo ka se nkwasiafo na de emfaso be ni nya ne ya betua sa nkwasi akai especially obi ti se me ma me ewo mpapa ewu why na mba betu de na mba betua sa aka we bi mo de montena na mamu nhwe nyansa wo sa akuru no especially the youth na moma attach ya mo age group fu nkeka nkwasi asebo nkyere mo ye be ma mo one t-shirt moma yentie ohene ba
poison oya
akwasi me say
all two kwan ko
enema miensa a ekuni pa okrom ha
antimi ama bonten
enema miensa ekuni pa okrom ha aye misapply no eye fama nyame enya hwe nti ade ne be hwa aka the root cause of it niesa no yese fama nyame
fama party
the second one eye say ye kan nipa be ka say enu teacher so enya hwe and the third one say in the interest of the party enu teacher so enya hwe and the third one say in the interest of the party ninti and the third one say in the interest of the party ninti and the third one say in the interest of the party ninti and the third one say in the interest of the party ninti and the third one say in the interest of the party ninti and the third one say in the interest of the party ninti and the third one say in the interest of the party ninti and the third one say in the interest of the party ninti and the third one say in the interest of the party ninti and the third one say in the interest of the party ninti and the third one say in the interest of the party ninti
third one no nkwasi ade no ene say Ghana ebi na attach ya wa what attach is doing is the third one in the interest of the party and ama attach ya lawyer ni krachi ni wedi 60 years lawyer ni attach ya lawyer ni we sua de wa abrochiro she said ni Jimmy abete in the interest of the party enti mo attach ya lawyer ni Jimmy
economics ya ne hojo onyansafo ba onyansafo awanom nsa o mo ka so nyame ahira yo nyame ahira ana me ka kyam say Ghana ya benya onyansafo awanom nsa.
My husband baby sabi say enti wo da ben na wo be jai sa videos yi ni sa nkrofo ye chidi sabi the video e kire na obeka choso. That is why I keep telling you that save your neurons. Let's watch Dr. Mensa Waterbill or sing what the behwe emoa because what the doctor what the David Attenborough esisu say if we Your generation in your 40s, if we don't change this in the next 99 days.
MPP for Ghana say Ghana for to Obama MPP. MPP will never respect Ghanaians again. If in this condition MPP can win an election, Ghanaians should forget it.
Hey, Nana,
I'm telling you my heart. Say baby corruption akodro. If people of Ghana vote for MPP, I am telling you MPP people will never respect the people of Ghana again ever.
You see,
MPP.
This is why me catch Mona as a more panicky over the electoral register. They say, even let them do all the Enyamana Dr. Omanebua Mabe catchere yero. So one way you are to forcing 3,000 for every baby, the kwa baby, ni be free baby. A to forcing for na ye you more free a to forcing ho de kwa baby. Muko drew baby krowa, muntu aba inti ya wamu. And I'm one yadi mu free baby about to force and honor. So Musumuni Minyansa, Musumu Bedru ha, Musumun to abaninti awom. You see, say you're two abaditi awom, whichever way. It does not matter. No amount of gerrymandering will work. Say in Ghana for your fire one junior. No amount of gerrymandering will work for them this 2024. That's why I don't want to panic over the electoral register. I want to believe that we are not Ghana for enough that we are going into this election with every fiber of our being against this crop of stupid politicians in that stupid political party for now called MPP. Until me say for now. And to say you were to force ho. Some may have worked do me hey. Na yemfa say yaba to yaba na anwi. Na kwase ye be wo UK ha. Ni suban te say easy for wa be ye medie free me ha me constituency ha wa the mark control London baby a say my madwe say meto ama labor no because do London ko meto ama labor still wo bre mi sika kora megye baby ade me ko bia me ko dru ha meto etia inti Ghana for mama ye mfa ye ho adwere. Let us go into election 2024 that whatever happens crossfire ye to abanetia MPP bottom line. If we can all agree on that, a beye dekeke in the next 99 days, Ghana beye dekeke. No, let us prove to this bunch of idiots that they cannot take advantage of us anymore, that they cannot take us for granted anymore. That right now we are 10 times ahead of them, we are smarter than them. But if we go and succumb to their foolishness, ne yakoto abanama bawomia. And she say ya frau say on that day snatch a ballot boxer. Don't do it. Yes, if I yomo ka utrim, na fa wosa ko fa utrim na kwa say ballot papers. Don't do it. Yes, if we ballot paper no kwa show him na Korea. Don't do it. Ma chairman want to mean promise you all the money, sika obe promise you, all the positions obe promise you J. But don't do the okachira against your own country and against yourself. Country first, party second. Country first, party second. Now, if we are able to vote this crop of suckers out, it doesn't mean there's no more MPP. MPP is there, but it gives the MPP the opportunity to bring a fresh pair of, hopefully, sensible people. Nasa wusa kotu abama sa unkwasi afuwe ye bioma na Ghana ne yako inti nyina gina yeso maji mensa nye de opeso ye biara ne nyina gina yeso se ya ma osika o se ya you free to force in constituency do ko baabi o ye nyi wu free baabi fa nko baabi o ne nyina gina yeso dudu na gina MPP fo na akora so MPP youth ne so dudu na gina mo so Ashanti region ho to punish the MPP. Shed your modia yamo Ashanti region. She said your mama yano aba Ashanti region ho. Clear them out. So that the region no Ghana for you say no, Ashanti region cannot be taken for granted anymore. Politician be any hobet about that Ashanti region for bium. Politician be any hobet about that Bono region for bium. I have for one for politician be any whether MPP or NDC or CPP or independent or biara kwasia biara no bet me e so the president or bet me the Ghana for adwene dia group. That's how Osakotoma wo mo a. Osana okokotoma wo mo a. Enti no me ni boy no yeah video no my deleting post say a. Me ni ya adwene. Breaking the 8 no e na be ma ye be hu kwasiafo e wo Ghana. The percentage of kwasiafo e wo man which ye besre Omo ebeye population census next time no. What there should be a category there should be a category of nkwasiafo in the country. Vote about womia benya this year no. Next population census no. Monfa sa category nenka ho. The number of nkwasiafo in Ghana na mo de sa percentage na hye ho. Because ye nim sa nkwasiafo ni nyina na ohene be ka no omo no this is how they operate.
The third one, say in the interest of the party ninti. Aha. Na no de ekuandisi fobi, MPP fobi. Aha.
Enti ye best population census for MPP net ya bem, enti ye fa NDC asamonto nchen. Nkwasiafo ebeto aba ba womia this year nyina no. Monfa wo mo hye population census no. So that we know say 2024 afibi by any friend 2024 Ghana yekoto aba na yehu nkwasiafo ewo omanim. Percentage of nkwasiafo ewo omanim. Omo no they operate by party ninti instead of name my Ghana ninti. Simple. Because we want to know the percentage of nkwasiafo ewo Ghana.
Yo, it for when and some more about to die. Yes, some more attachia means some of Kaya so on pacho se on Kase Mahama Draka and Nakoye and Sembri. Because GC so and our channel so we now subscribe ya. For more than over subscribe to the channel, no, it's on the later than hot music and I'm the Bremo. After we are not like the video, now share my offer for so now when you've been here, the whole somewhere air coso, air Ghana memoir. Also, wait me at share what you for here. So we now will comment boxing. Mobati interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.